everybody, I am exhausted and this video is in late and I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Not sure though. Okay, gee. But I'm just so tired I can't tell. I was trying to get this video in before today. It's 1 a.m. So today I am going to do a simple video. Let me see here. Where was it? Yeah. Paper. Where'd my marker go? Your marker. Your marker. The marker. Oh no, I don't want to get off. Do I just need to change my video? No, I don't want to change my video. Okay, found it. Ta-da. Stop it. Okay. Paper. Random line. Make a picture. Call it. Draw it. Me and my friends do it at school. Sorry, I needed something to write on. Or to bear down. I don't want no box, though. And I'll just use this. I guess I have to. Random lines. How about, bam. Random lines. You guys can actually. Jeez, I'm so weird with this. Can you see it? Okay. I'm gonna try to make a random picture now. This looks so weird. I messed up already. Ah! I messed up. I'm not gonna restart. Oops, my sister's getting up. This is the worst thing ever. What does it say here? Doesn't say anything. Just rang. Just want to check it. Out of that squiggly line, I've made the mermaid. Very bad mermaid. But it's a mermaid. Next squiggly line. This is going to go about to 6 minutes, like some of the closer videos have been. She's kind of vlogging in truth or dares and stuff. Bam. Random line, if you guys can see that. Yes, you hopefully can. I'm going to make it da 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 da. Dot 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 dot. Hold on, guys. 5 more minutes. I'm seconds. I'm not going to take up all the video's time on pictures. Okay. Okay. And I am done. That one squiggly line became this. Ding. Okay, next I only have 2 more papers left, so 2 more things left. Like a little swoopy. What I hit? I think you guys can still see me and hear me. Something just went wrong. Bam. Yeah. Okay, let me finish this up. Hey, stop messing with me. You guys can comment it's bad because I know it is. So just don't. I already know it is. This is my quickest drawings. Because I don't want to have to cut out unless my mom needs me something like that. It's a weird looking snake roller coaster. So, seaweed and fish was the best. If you guys didn't know what that was, that's what it was. Okay, last but not least. Okay, this is it's rule on this, you cannot make a heart shape. So if I can't make a heart, then let's not make a heart, because that's cheating. I'm making something different. To smell of bread. Hold on, wait. Where were my damn? Bada bam, bada bam, bada bam, bada bam, bada bam. Now it's my. Wait a second. Okay, and what? Wait, I'm so bad at this. Dun, 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 dun. We're already getting near our boundary. There. That's you guys didn't see it, can you? Bam. Okay, now I guess I'll just kind of play around. Everything. Ah. Okay, I just felt like doing something. It's supposed to say doy at die, I promise. It's weird sounding. I guess I'm gonna end that video there. I don't have anything else to do. So bye!